how to sync contacts on iPhone and iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to sync contacts on your iPhone and iPad. You just need to make sure that both of your devices are logged into the same Apple ID, and then go to settings, open up your Apple account, and then go to iCloud. Now scroll down, you'll see save to iCloud, you'll see all, tap on the arrow and then scroll down and make sure that the contacts is toggled on and tap on merge, and then that's it. Now if your iCloud contacts is turned on and your iPad and iPhone are using the same Apple ID, then the contacts will be automatically synced. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.